Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Stretch the text. I place the text in the center. Go to Object. Envelope Distort. Make with Mesh. I use 5 rows and 5 columns. Use the Direct Selection tool to select the top 2 rows of anchor points. I use the arrow keys to move the selected points to the right and down. Then select the bottom 2 rows of anchor points. And I use the arrow keys to move these to the left and up. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Illustrator text effects.